Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our third questions of circles is show that the tangent at -1, 2 of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equals 0 and find the point of contact. So here we have to first find the equation of tangent. Okay, so the given circles S is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 equals to 0. From here, we'll get the value of g and f. So we know that 2g is equals to the coefficient of x, which is minus 4. So the value of g is equals to minus 2. And 2f is equals to the coefficient of y, which is minus 8. So f is equals to minus 4. And the value of c is here 7, right? So, and the other equation we can take it as s dash, which is equals to x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equals to 0. Equation of tangent to the circle s equals to 0 and the point is -1 comma 2 is s1 equals to 0. S1 is so S1 is equals to the formula is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Okay, so here x will be x only and this is x1 and y1, so it is -1 plus y into 2. The value of g is -2 into x minus 1, right? Plus, so f value is also -4, right? So it is -4 y plus 2 and the value of c is 7. So this can be written as s1 equals to minus x plus 2y, multiplying it inside, so it is minus 2x plus 2 minus 4y and minus 8 plus 7 equals to 0. Simplify it, we'll get minus 2x minus x is minus 3x, minus 4y plus 2y is minus 2y, and 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, so it is plus 1 equals to 0. Now taking negative common, so it can be written as 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So our final equation of tangent to the circle is 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So we have to prove that 3x plus 2y minus 1 is tangent to the second circle, which is s dash. Circle s dash is equals to what it is, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equals to 0. If it is a tangent to the circle, it will be perpendicular, right? The radius will be equal to d. D is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the center. Center will be minus g comma minus f. So from here we'll get the value of center as divide it by 2, right? So it is 4 by 2 will be 2. So here it is negative, so minus 2, and here also by 2. So it is minus 3. To the tangent 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. We will find the radius. Radius r is equals to root of g square plus f square minus c. So this is equals to root of the value of g is minus 2 square plus minus 3 square. There is no value of c here, there is no constant term, so it is 0. So this can be written as 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so it is root 13. So we know that r will be equals to d, right? So the value of r is root 13 is equals to, perpendicular distance formula is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So here our straight line is 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So this can be compared with ABC, right? So the value of A is 3, B is 2 and C is minus 1. We know that D is a perpendicular distance from the tangent, from the center to the tangent, right? So the center is minus 2 comma minus 3. This will be our x1 and y1. We substitute, will get mod 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 1 by root 3 square plus 2 square. So this is equals to root 13 equals to minus 6 and minus 1 by root 9 plus 4, which is equals to mod of minus 13 by root 13. So we'll get root 13 is equals to, if we remove the modulus, it will become the positive 13 by root 13. If we multiply, we'll get root 13 into root 13 will be 13 equal to 13. So the value of r is equals to d here. So we have proved that the tangent is to the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equals to 0. Now we have to find the point of contact, right? So let point of contact is h comma k, then h comma k is the foot of perpendicular from center to tangent. So here the center minus 2 comma minus 3 is our point x1 y1, okay, and the tangent 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0 is the line. So we know the fourth theorem, right? Already studied in the first year, which is h minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b equals to minus a x1 plus b y1 plus c by a square plus b square. So this can be written as, substitute this point values here. So we'll get h plus 2 by 3 equals to k plus 3 by 2 equals to minus, the value of a is 3 into x1 is minus 2 plus b is 2 into y1 is minus 3 minus 1 by a square is 3 square is 9 and b square is 2 square, which is 4. So here it is h plus 2 by 3 equals to k plus 3 by 2 equals to minus of, here we'll get minus 6 and minus 1, which is minus 13 by 13. So this 13 gets cancelled and this is a positive 1 here. Now we can equate h plus 2 by 3 equals to 1 and k plus 3 by 2 equals to 1. So we will get here 3 into 1 is 3. So it is h plus 2 equals 3. H is equals to 3 minus 2. H equals 1. Similarly here we'll get k plus 3 equals 2. K equals to 2 minus 3. K equals minus 1. So the point of contact h comma k is equals to 1 comma minus 1. So fourth question is find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, which are parallel to the line x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. So here we have the condition that the line is parallel, right? So we have to use the equation of parallel in which the constant will become k, right? And we should find the value of k here. So given circle S is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0, and line is x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. We will find the center and radius first. So the center is given as minus g comma minus f. So here 2g is equals to minus 4. The value of g will be equals to minus 2. So here also it is negative of g. So this is also negative. So this becomes positive. And 2f is equals to 6. F is equals to 3. So here negative. So it is minus 3. And the radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. So this is equals to root 2 square plus minus 3 square, and this value of c is minus 12, so minus of minus becomes plus 12. So this is equals to root 4 plus 9 plus 12 is nothing but root 25, which is equals to 5. Now let equation of tangent is parallel to the line x plus y minus 8 equals to 0 is x plus y plus k equals to 0. Take it as equation 1. So when it is tangent to the circle, the radius is equals to the perpendicular distance from the center to the tangent line, right? So here d is the perpendicular distance from the center, which is 2 comma minus 3, to the line x plus y plus k equals to 0. So the radius is equals to 5 here, and the formula is, we already know, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So here the value of a is equals to 1, b is also 1 here, and the value of c is equals to k, and this center point is x1 comma y1. We'll substitute, we'll get 2 minus 3 plus k by root 1 plus 1. So it is 5 equals to mod k minus 1, we can write by root 2, right? So this root 2 comes over here, so it is k minus 1 modulus is equals to 5 root 2. If we remove the mod, we'll get k minus 1 is equals to plus or minus 5 root 2. Bring the value of 1 here, so it is positive 1, so it is 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. The value of k will substitute in 1 in equation 1. Substitute k in equation 1. Therefore, equation of tangents are x plus y plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 equals to 0.